Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a double French braid in my hair. I did a kind of like get ready with me tag video for my main channel, and so that is the makeup that I'm wearing. I will leave that linked down below. But now that my hair is a little bit longer, I can do more with it, and when I'm feeling up to it or feeling well enough, that is when you will see me do a few more hair tutorials. I will be doing another tutorial within the next day or two after this one goes up. So what I did was I started by brushing my hair back and letting it fall naturally into its own natural part, and then I just used a hairband on the other side to keep that section out of my way. And I am starting at the very center of my forehead, at the very top of my head, to braid. And I have the ring light on pretty high so you can see all my little sparkly gray hairs here, but I am just basically doing a French braid down one half of my head. This past couple of weeks for me has been really rough. I've had some health issues. I had food poisoning Saturday, and then Thursday last week, one of my friend's 15-year-old daughter, her 15-year-old daughter passed away. She had she had the same heart problems that I have, and they found her passed out in the bathroom, and they don't know how long she was gone. So I've been helping her with whatever she needs help with, and then of course going through my own emotions with that, because I have also lost children. So I have really not been feeling up to filming anything. I didn't even film any like hairbrushing videos for like 5 days, just because I've just, my emotions were just too high, and I was stressed out, and I was not feeling that great. So it was just kind of one of those things for me. I'm trying to get videos uploaded every other day on this channel, but there might not be, it might be every like 2 days you'll get a video on this channel. I still upload daily on my other channel, and that does come first. And until this channel gets, the 400,000 or 4,000 watch time minutes and the 1,000 subscribers, this channel isn't monetized. So doing this on top of my other channel that is monetized is not only extra work, but I earn absolutely nothing from it. I do have a Patreon if you would like to help support me there. You can subscribe to that for literally $1 a month, and that really does help me out. You have no idea what I can do with $8. I've actually looked at getting like some cute headbands and some new hair clips, and there's some new hair tools and stuff that I wanted to test out, and I can't afford to buy them on my own. But even like the cute headbands that were like $3, I can't afford those right now. So unless somebody is able to, like either buy something off my Amazon wish list, or become a patron, right now I'm kind of like stuck for finances. And I'm almost done with the one side here, and I was gonna braid it down and then tie it off at the very bottom, but when I was doing the last few pieces, my fingers slipped and I ended up losing one of the sections, and I was like, uh-oh, crap. So I ended up doing it at the very base of the French braid there instead. And my arm was starting to fall asleep by the one point, and I fell Friday night, so my left arm is in a lot of pain. My left foot and knee are severely bruised, and yeah, so that's not fun. Also, the back of my left leg is messed up and tight, and I think I have whiplash. So doing this probably wasn't the best for my neck. Yeah, and I'll realize here in just a minute how bad that actually looks. That, and I've got the whole Pippi Longstocking thing going on at the base of my hair, so I just kind of take the whole thing out and just grab it and rewrap it. But I do have quite a bit of hair, and I don't do internal braids, I do external braids. I never learned on myself how to do internal braids like most white girls do. So that's why my braid sticks up instead of is smooth and under the skin. Now, if I braid somebody else's hair, I can braid it so that it's in. But on my own hair, I've never been able to get it to braid in. I've always been able to braid it out. Here I'm moving to the other side so you can see. Again, grabbing the very front section of my hair, I'm going to section it into thirds, and I am starting at that middle part, and then I'm kind of going back at an angle with the braid. I'm just trying to pick up a little bit of hair at a time so that all of my sections remain even. And if you want, I could try setting up my phone on the other counter so that you can see what this looks like from another angle, and I could try and do like video in video or side-by-side videos when I'm doing these like hair tutorials like this. That way you can see what it looks like from other angles. Tell you what, my highlight's pretty today though. If there's other hairstyles that you want to see me do, I've had a lot of requests to do like pigtails or up top pigtails, which to me, I think they look stupid. They also give me a headache after about an hour. I've had people ask me to do space buns where I put them in like the front of my head. I'm not quite sure how that would work. So those are like the main suggestions that people have given me lately. But to be honest, I think most of those look absolutely stupid on me. And I had somebody say, oh, well, this would look really great on you in a comment, I guess, last night. And they want me to do something specific with my hair. And again, when I read the comment, the first thought in my head was, oh, so you want me to look like a 5-year-old with my hair that way. Okay, not cute, not cute at all. But, you know, I am open to like suggestions. I'm gonna try and do some like updo videos with my hair this short because I know people like to wear their hair curly. Some people like to wear their hair wavy. Some people even like the half up, half down thing. So I can try doing a few of those in my hair, so that, you know, you can see that at the almost shoulder length mark here that I can you know, get my hair to do a partial updo. So that way, if you have like an event that you're going to, or your hair is this length and you honestly just can't figure out something that you want to do with your hair that looks, you know, classy enough to wear on a night out kind of evening or a special event type of, you know, thing that you're doing, then I want to be able to try and give you options for those as well. I do have a video that I've been thinking about doing for a while, and it's basically something that my grandmother taught me when I was little, so I do plan on doing that. And my part is not even. And when I let go of the one braid at the bottom, you can see it's a little bit looser. But as of me editing this, I recorded this yesterday. As of me editing this, you know, 24 hours later, I did sleep in those braids and my hair is still holding up. The only thing I did was take out the couple bobby pins that I put in here in just a minute. I did use a Redken hairspray so that it would not look as like frizzy. I had some flyaways that were gray hairs that were just going hurrah boys on my head. And I've got that one side that's a little bit more poofy, and I didn't quite care for that, so I did spray that and then smooth it out. And I'm almost out of this hairspray. It like is almost completely empty. And here I'm just spraying the side, and then I'm going to smooth it with the comb. That way I can get rid of some of that poof on the side of my head. And then what I'm doing is I'm pressing the hair right up against the braid so that the hair stays a little bit tighter on the side, and then any poofy part will be right up next to the actual braid, and then it won't look as bad because it's right next to where the braid puffs up. And I'm just grabbing any of those little extra flyaway hairs and I'm securing it with a bobby pin and then spraying it again, and I'll press over it to smooth the hair down. Same thing on the other side. And just secure it with a bobby pin. And I stabbed myself in the head with it. And I'm just looking to make sure that it looks the way I want it to, and then I spray it down the center and then smooth any of the other hairs that are like kind of like sticking out of the braid, or like the little ones that are just too short to be braided in that are just kind of sticking up. I just sprayed that, and then again I just smoothed over the braids so that they would, you know, lay flat and not stick up. So hopefully you enjoy this double braid tutorial on almost shoulder length hair. I will try and do more of these. I just didn't talk during this because I had a lot of other stuff going on in my mind, and I've got a lot going on. So here is the finished look of everything. If you do like this video, please give it a like. Leave me a comment down below on hairstyles that you want to see me try with my hair this length. And if you're not already a subscriber, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I did a 100 subscriber giveaway, and I picked the winner and let the winner know, and I haven't heard anything back. So I'm going to be picking another winner and seeing if they actually want to win the prize. So I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye.